What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today we're going to be talking about drones, and the company we're going to be talking about that is related to the drones is going to be Droneup. Guys, I'm excited to provide this content to you again because honestly, drones are becoming prevalent. They're going to be doing some epic things for so many different people, and Droneup is going to have a major role in that because they encompass a lot when it comes to the sector. Everything from insurance to all kinds of different aspects. So I'm beyond excited to really talk about what Droneup is involved with, what they're about, and really the future of which they're headed. So if you're interested, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. But before we dive in on this loaded content in drones and the company Droneup, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't hit on this enough, and you guys know if you've seen any of my drone videos, I consistently say almost the same thing. Drones are going to be the future. Drones are going to have a very, very significant role when it comes to package delivery, whether it comes to surveying, whether it comes to insurance, whether it comes to construction, engineering, medicines, pharmaceuticals, hospitals. I mean, the list is absolutely endless when it comes to the capabilities and what services drones are going to provide, guys. It's just an exciting thing to think about, and really the benefits that it's going to provide, I think, are just going to be tremendous. There's so many companies out there that really need the exposure and really need to be brought to the limelight because they're going to be doing incredible things. And so why not take the opportunity, especially on this channel, to bring drones and drone companies to the forefront and let everyone know exactly what's going on. And that's exactly what I'm going to do today with Droneup. So swing it on over here. Droneup is the leading complete drone service provider, transforming businesses and government organizations with drone technology solutions. Droneup's diverse suite for products including flight services, data analysis, drone program development, regulatory consulting, training equipment, and Part 107 drone delivery. Guys, I wasn't kidding when I said they are involved in a lot. Recognized as a UAS industry pioneer with patent mobile app technology, a very significant piece, and a commitment to research and development. Droneup further fuels invention and application across private and public sectors with our people, services, and innovative solutions. Droneup deliveries and operational challenges with efficiency, reliability, and safety. The magic word, safety. You guys are going to see that a lot. Now what we're going to do is we're going to talk about really kind of some tiers that they're involved with. This first section we're going to talk about is the industry aspect. Things that they're involved with from an industry perspective. So here we go. Droneup provides end-to-end aerial data collection services. We locate, qualify, and deploy drone pilots in your requirements, delivering on-demand drone services. Droneup is poised to assist the following commercial industries with aerial data collection solutions: agriculture, architecture, aggregate, chemical, commercial real estate, construction, engineering, energy and utilities, solar, wind, transmission and distribution, transportation, oil and gas, facilities management. Guys, that's what I'm talking about. That is a ton of different things related to the industries that you're going to see drones having their hand in. I can't hit on it enough, and that really solidifies a lot of what I've been talking about. So our certified drone pilots validate airspace and offer specialized options and equipment from panoramas, 3D models, simulations, high-definition images, and videos, infrared, multispectral, and LiDAR. So a lot of different options. This is absolutely significant when it comes to everything industrial. Guys, I'm telling you, this drone play is going to be amazing. We provide secure collections and data from pre and active evaluation to post-inspection records. We understand your requirements, and so that is really covering the industry aspect. Now we're going to be talking about public, and I think this will make a little bit more sense on the difference between public and obviously industrial. So Droneup provides end-to-end aerial data collection services. Droneup locates, qualifies, and deploys drone pilots to your requirements. Delivering on-demand drone services. Droneup is poised to assist the following public sector entities and markets with aerial data collection solutions, aerial inspection and mapping data, agency, media relations, marketing services, agriculture and game management, emergency support services, and law enforcement support. So, as you guys can see, really the two sectors which would each, obviously they provide to each segment. I think it's absolutely incredible. So one thing I thought was absolutely unique too is the fact that they offer Droneup badge program. So through the app, they offer a badge system. We're going to talk about it, but I think it's absolutely cool that you can see the qualifications at which you're seeking out and what you're looking for through this badge program. So here we go. The program categorizes drone pilots with certain dexterity and knowledge. Badges are like certifications that qualify a pilot for job opportunities. This provides Droneup with the ability to match pilots with the appropriate skills to the corresponding job. I think that right there just speaks volumes to really how incredible that is. So it says corresponding job niche, maximizing efficiency and client satisfaction. The program features a variety of objectives. When the badge is earned, it appears on the pilot's profile on the Droneup mobile app. Knowing our pilots are up to the challenge, we have current missions that are award badges once proof of content or documents are submitted. These badges are relatively simple in nature to earn. However, as missions become more complex, so we're earning a badge to list on the pilot profile. New badges are created regularly to keep pilot certifications modernized, and it says these badges can be found in the achievement section via Droneup mobile app. And so like I said, guys, absolutely incredible. And really, what you're going to be getting from a drone pilot based on the badges that they have through the app. I think that's absolutely a good service to provide the customer that is going to be needing the drone aspect, whether it is industrial or whether it is from a public perspective. It says Droneup is a leading drone service provider with an impressive list of contracts around the country, including numerous state-level agreements. Droneup has been able to scale by using a combination of software and training protocols that ensure quality pilots and quality deliverables. Now, Droneup has acquired AeroVista Innovations, and the reason why I'm bringing this to your attention is because this is absolutely a major piece, and really, when it comes to getting a well-rounded drone pilot, this will help obviously support that. So it'll make sense here in a second. It says now Droneup has acquired AeroVista Innovations, a drone training company expert at implementing drone programs in both private and public sector organizations. With acquisition, AeroVista will operate under the Droneup Training Academy brand, allowing Droneup to continue to expand its operations while maintaining the quality that has made them successful. So I really wanted to talk about that because I think it's significant to understand what the Academy is going to provide and how Droneup is going to be able to continue on doing their mission. So it says the acquisition adds training to complete drone solutions momentum. This is another major piece right here. This happened on April 2nd in 2020, so it's been a little bit, but I think this is a very significant piece, enough to make this video. So Droneup LLC, an end-to-end drone pilot service provider for aerial data collections, is pleased to announce that it has acquired AeroVista Innovations LLC to provide full-service drone training to private and public sector organizations. Droneup has acquired AVI's assets, employees, and customer contracts and will transition merged business operations into Droneup brand as the Droneup Training Academy. AeroVista Innovations, founded in 2016, provides training, in-house drone program implementation, and FAA regulatory, which I think is significant, compliance, consultation that aid public agencies and corporations in the drone training, consulting, and sourcing projects. Its collaboration with UAS industry leaders provides a market-leading proposition and ensures complete drone solution programs that minimize risk and maximize the magic word, safety, and results. So Brendan Stewart, president of AeroVista Innovations, stated, "We are thrilled to integrate our operations into Droneup's global business model and combine our industry knowledge to accelerate turnkey," I love that word, turnkey solutions for drone programs adoption with both public sector and enterprise organizations. AVI's value is rooted in consulting, integrating, and training in-house operations for sectors such as emergency management, and it continues to say in law enforcement, offering Droneup the ability to further serve these markets through its NASPO Value Point multi-contract. So we'll talk about NASPO here in a little bit. It says, since its inception in 2016, Droneup service and business contributions have evolved to meet the demand of dynamic and maturing markets. And that's something you're going to see constantly, is the drone market is constantly maturing, it is evolving, and it's going to do some amazing things. It says the Droneup training program will continue to be led by both Brendan Stewart, training director, and Melanie Harris, sales director, furthering momentum to offer training and equipment purchases, implementing one-stop drone solutions. So that's another significant piece, is the fact that this is a one-stop shop. So Droneup is looking forward to the expansion through this acquisition. Bringing AVI into Droneup allows us to extend our capabilities to create valuable solutions for our customers. We have an exceptional network of pilots and an experienced team of leaders, stated Tom Walker, founder and CEO of Droneup. Our training division allows us to enhance the skills of our pilots who fly complex missions for our customers and assist our clients in problem solving internal and offsite issues impacting safe and complete drone solutions. So very important, very significant, and honestly, I think that is a massive acquisition, and it's really cool. So this next piece of information that I'm going to provide you is a lot more current, well, really current, and it's absolutely tremendous to see. So no more hesitation, let's dive in. Rhode Island signs participating addendum with Droneup, providing public sector agencies access to drone services. Man, that's incredible. So again, March 30th, 2021. So like I said, pretty current. It says that Droneup LLC and the state of Rhode Island have signed a participating addendum for the NASPO value point. And so what we're going to do is talk about what NASPO is, and then we're going to come back and read this again. So NASPO value point is a cooperative purchasing program. It's facilitating public procurement solicitations and agreements using a lead state model. And that kind of sounds like a mouthful. And so it says we are a nonprofit organization dedicating to providing state chief procurement officers with the support and procurement resources they need. So really being able to provide the resources to these states is extremely significant. It says Rhode Island signs participating addendum with Droneup. Droneup is a leading complete drone service provider for aerial data collections, was awarded the Unmanned Aerial Systems Service Master Agreement. As you can see right there is the serial number by the Commonwealth of Virginia in August of 2019. The services under the award are available for use by all 50 states. It says the District of Columbia and the territories of the United States through the National Association of State Procurement Officials, NASPO value point cooperative purchasing organization. The state of Rhode Island is now able to use the award for the benefit of state departments, institutions, agencies, political subdivisions, and it says any and other eligible entities. I think this is significant because now drones will have a significant role in Droneup through these, avenues. It says that Droneup's award includes, but is not limited to, services categories for emergency support services, law enforcement support, aerial inspections or mapping, data services, agriculture and gaming, and agency, media relations, and marketing. And anticipated that the primary users will be agriculture and game. When they talk about game, the first thing that comes to your mind, you're thinking like video games and things like that. They're talking about like more wild animals like deer and everything from moose to all kinds of bears to, you're talking about wild game. So that's what I want to make sure that I get that point across. It says transportation, forestry, mines, minerals, and energy, public universities, and community colleges. So here we go. Tom Walker has a comment. I like hearing from CEOs, and I really like to hear the excitement they have, especially when positive catalysts happen like this. So Tom Walker, Droneup CEO, stated, Rhode Island allows businesses to thrive through education and innovation. Droneup looks forward to supporting our hardworking state and local agencies, both in Rhode Island and nationwide. And so as you guys can see, absolutely incredible. And this company is just doing tremendous things. So like I said, guys, I really wanted to provide content to you on this company. And I'm just excited to see this sector, these companies really start to grow and expand into their roles and really provide such amazing services to people, businesses, and all kinds of different entities. I appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video on Droneup. It was loaded with content. It was loaded with information regarding the drones and Droneup and what they're involved with. I can assure you this probably will not be the last video on this company because they're going to continue to strive and do what they're supposed to do within the drone sector. I do look for a lot of updated content to come and really see what they continue to do. I do want to remind you guys I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.